How to fix Snapchat crystals not showing. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device. After that, navigate to your avatar from the top left corner. That will take you to your profile page. Here, scroll down a bit, and under this My Story section, if you are eligible for Snapchat crystals, there you will have an option for Snapchat crystals. Now let's understand what Snapchat crystals is. They are the feature of the Snapchat app that relate to Snap Map and user interaction, and they are awarded to eligible creators that engage in payment eligible activities on Snapchat. Now, to earn crystals on Snapchat, you need to engage in a specific activities and interaction within the app. So first of all, make sure that you use the Snap Map. You can explore new places and check into popular location, or you can share your location with your friends or update your status on Snap Map too. You have to frequently maintain your Snapchat streaks by continuously exchanging snaps with friends, and you have to participate in challenges or activities that Snapchat promotes. You have to follow any special instructions or themes provided for this challenge too. And the other thing is that you have to engage with stories and discover content. You have to post stories and view stories from friends and public accounts, and engage with the content in the Discover section by watching videos, reading articles, and interacting with ads. You have to use Snapchat filters and lenses regularly, especially new or training ones, and create and share snaps with these filters and lenses. And the last thing you have to make sure is to interact with your friends, engage in conversation and activities with friends on Snapchat, participate in group chats, and send group snaps. So you have to be consistent on Snapchat. You have to post the content in your Snapchat account regularly and use all the features of Snapchat. And by doing all of this, you can accumulate crystals over time. You have to keep an eye on any new updates or features Snapchat introduce, which might produce additional way to earn crystals. So that's all for this video, and hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.